Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 12x, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Next, we're going to navigate to Organize. Now, before I do so, I am going to quickly mention that you can see contacts right now visible here, and they are being pulled from the Google account, which is signed in. And then once you click right there, you can see what account is signed in, and that's about everything that we have here. So anyway, let's go to Organize, and here we're going to scroll down, and we're looking for, there we go, Manage SIM. This will automatically show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and by default they should all be selected. If you see some contacts that are deselected and grayed out, that means that these contacts already exist on the location that you're trying to import to. And I'm gonna kind of like imitate this, so I'm gonna do select the device. One more thing to keep in mind, if you don't see a Save To option right here, that means that you don't have a Google account signed in, and the device is automatically just gonna import to the only location that is available, which is the device itself. And because that's not really an option for you, as it's the only thing that you can choose, it just gets rid of this field altogether. But anyway, you can also deselect contacts that you don't want, and from there, you're gonna select Import under the three dots. And as you can see, this tells you how many contacts have been imported. I'm gonna show this once more. If I go back in here and choose device, you can see that now it deselects all the contacts that I have imported, as they already exist on the device itself. Going back to the contacts list, depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location. Like I mentioned before, it's showing right now contacts from the Google account. So I'm gonna click on that account icon, and I would want to select the device, which for some reason isn't showing up here. This is the second time I've seen this, and I don't know what is happening, but typically you would have device, once you import, show up somewhere here, and you should be able to select from it. So I'm just kind of mentioning that as this would be the typical experience, which what you're seeing right now is not typical. So let me see if there's any other contacts application that I can show. Nope, it looks like that's the only one. So unfortunately, I can't swap to the device itself, so I can't show the imported contacts, which is unfortunate. So let's try to import them to the account itself. So I'm gonna go again, import. And actually they might already exist here. So there's these two are copies. This is a copy. So I'm gonna leave it at right now at the fact that typically, oh, there we go. So we can actually somewhat show the contacts. So for some reason it's being kind of hidden, but under the button right here you can actually switch the display location. So we have all contacts, which then gives you the Google contacts. That isn't counted into the all contacts for some reason. Then we have the contacts on the SIM card and on the device separately, so you can choose from here where you want to, what contacts you want to display basically. So it's a little bit finicky right here, but there it is. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.